It's a matter of keeping up with bookkeeping. And I hate to be really getting carried away talking about bookkeeping, but the government requires you to keep books. The current court case came down this morning, and what they ruled was that a traveling salesman who didn't keep, Phil travels a lot. Phil sells insurance. He's sure my insurance agent, and travels around all the time selling insurance. Well, I preach to him every year he's got to have some type of record of where he's going and why he's going there. Now, back in I think it was 98, they passed a law saying, look, everybody's got to keep a log of their mileage. Everybody uproared, said, no, we're not going to do it. So the IRS backed off of that. Now what they require is a contemporaneous record, which is merely an appointment calendar, a log of where you're going. Well, this traveling salesman in this case didn't have that. They just allowed all his travel. We know you're a traveling salesman. That's what you do. We're not going to give you any because you didn't keep any kind of appointment calendar. So it's important to keep at least some type of an appointment calendar to know where you go and why you're going there. And then reconstruct the mileage log if you get audited, is what you do. In that case, really what they're dealing with is that he had very poor accounting help, needless to say. When you get audited by the IRS, what you want to make sure is that before you go talk to them, your ducks are real tightly lined up. So many people just go in and think they can shoot the bull with the IRS. The IRS doesn't buy into that very often. You got to line those ducks up. If you line the ducks up, then you generally do pretty good with the IRS. But you've got to have the ducks lined up. And that's clearly what this fellow didn't do. Because he could have gone back to his invoices, his sales invoices, see where he made commissions, and built his log, and he didn't do it. So therefore, he lost all his travel. But you've got to, we support, and we're QuickBooks Pro advisors, so we help people design their QuickBooks systems and generate all the data there that's needed to file their taxes, track the various states, track the sales tax, wonderful sales tax. The state of Georgia probably has, has 159 counties, and you've got to tell them which county you sold something in when you report that to them every time. So I've got my wonderful tree farmer over here. Right? That's what they tree farm. And what they, small trees, bushes, but, if they sell something in Gwinnett County, they got to tell the government they sold it in Gwinnett County and pay Gwinnett County taxes on it. If they sell something in Clayton County, they got to report, show that they paid Clayton County taxes and tell the government pay Clayton County tax rate. So it gets to be a real trouble with even the counties in the state of Georgia where you're doing business at. So, but QuickBooks will track all that. It's properly set up, and will give you the reports necessary to file your taxes.